Hi everybody, my name is Nicholas and I am the Liggett agent for this particular area of the Lot and Garonne. And today you are in the village of Sos-en-Albret to view a very special property in the heart of the medieval square of the village, where they shot a film back in 1994 called Les Enfants dans les Arbres. And you're going to think that you're coming to this house for a haircut or to have a short back and sides, but no. It's the original shop front which the filmmakers created to make the village look like 1940s France. And it's a very particularly charming part of the exterior of this house. The house itself is 5 bedrooms, but there is a 2-bedroom apartment which can be used as an independent gîte or guest quarters, and it's ready to go. There is its own kitchen, its own independent entrance, bathrooms, 2 bedrooms. The house itself has an atelier workshop, which is the joining point between the two houses, and this could easily be transformed or created into a main kitchen for the whole house. The house itself, very old, perhaps dates back to the 16th, 17th century, and actually has the original fortifications of the village in the hallway. There are 3 bedrooms in the main house. The master bedroom, the suite parentale, looks out onto the village square, and there are two other bedrooms, a good size on the same floor. And upstairs there is a large attic which is currently used as a bedroom as well, but could be converted into another space. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the visit today. If you would like to visit the property, check out the link below, send me a message and we'll set up a visit. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Au revoir.